Hello everyone, and today I'm going to do a comparison between BeeFree and Framer. BeeFree and Framer. BeeFree and Framer. Framer. Building emails or websites. Which one are you doing? BeeFree and Framer both promise stunning designs, but which one fits your needs? Let's compare these design powerhouses. Now, when it comes to specialty, BeeFree has drag and drop emails, while Framer has interactive websites. When it comes to what they are best for, BeeFree is best for marketers or newsletters, while Framer is best for designers and startups. When it comes to templates, BeeFree has about 1,000 plus email templates, while Framer has about 100 plus website templates. When it comes to their magic trick, BeeFree has mobile responsive in one click magic trick, while Framer has animations with zero code magic trick. When it comes to free plan, BeeFree has yes, it does have a free plan, but it's limited. Framer also has a free plan with basic features. When it comes to price, BeeFree costs about $15 to $99 a month, while Framer costs about $10 to $99 a month. So let's look at their learning curve. When it comes to the learning curve, BeeFree is super easy, while Framer is moderate but is more powerful than BeeFree. So who should you choose? Or in this case, which should you choose? Pick BeeFree if you need beautiful emails fast, and pick Framer if you want pro-level websites. Framer's AI site generator is game-changing for quick launches. So, are you team email or team website? Drop your pick below. Like for tutorials on either tool and subscribe for more design tool battles. Hope you found this video helpful.